Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Wyoming LLC formation guide. So let's get started. So now I'm going to walk you through the key steps on how you can create or start an LLC in Wyoming. And Wyoming is a popular choice for LLCs due to its business-friendly policies. And today, I'll make sure that you have everything you need to get started. If you want to skip the hassle and get your LLC formed for only $39, check out the Northwest Registered Agent. Link is in the description down below. So now, step 1, which is to check for your LLC name availability. So now head over into sos.wyo or wyo.gov, and then you will now be here into the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. And from here, what you want to do is click here on business/UCC, and from here click on search for business names or filings. And here you can just type out your business name right here for your LLC and check out if there is another business that has the exact same name as you. Therefore, you will not be able to use that if that's the case. So yeah, you want to check for any existing businesses with the same name. This step ensures that no other LLC has already taken the name you want to use. And now step number 2, which is to get a registered agent. So now, this can be you, but it's recommended to hire a professional agent to avoid using your home address, which will be public. Registered agents handle important legal documents and must be available during business hours. If you don't want to deal with this, I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. It's only $39 for their service when forming your LLC. They will provide you with a professional address and handle everything for you. And now step number 3, which is to file articles of organization. Once your name is ready and you have a registered agent, the next step is to file your articles of organization. You can submit them via online through the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. It's a $100 fee if you file by mail, or a little over $103 if you file online due to a small convenience fee. And now step number 4, which is to get an EIN from the IRS. You'll need an employer identification number from the IRS, which is like a social security number for your business. It's free and you can apply directly on the IRS website. Having an EIN will allow you to open a business bank account and manage taxes. And now step number 5, which is to create an operating agreement. While Wyoming doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it is a crucial document that outlines how your LLC will operate, including member rules and responsibilities. It's also useful when opening a business bank account. Northwest Registered Agent offers a free template for this, or you can pay a little extra for a custom agreement. And now, step number 6, which is to open a business bank account. To keep your business finances separate from personal finances, opening a business bank account is essential. This makes it quicker to track expenses, manage taxes, and keep your LLC in good standing. Most banks will require your EIN and operating agreement. And now let's head over into step number 7, which is to file a beneficial ownership report. Starting in 2024, you'll need to file a beneficial ownership information report with a FinCEN or Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This report discloses the owners of your LLC and is required within 90 days of forming your business. Keep this in mind as it's a new legal requirement. And now finally is step number 8, filing an annual report. So to maintain your LLC's good standing in Wyoming, you'll need to file an annual report with the state. The fee starts at $60, but it can increase depending on the value of your business's assets. Be sure to file on time each year to avoid penalties. And that is basically the steps on how you can start your LLC here in Wyoming. So if you want to avoid the headache of doing all of this by yourself, I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. They will handle all your LLC formation for only $39, and they will be your registered agent for the first year. Click the link in the description to get started. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.